Summer camp is a yearly event for people to connect and collaborate and also to hear about what's next.
I think culture starts at the head, but it's also the sum of all the behaviors. We understand that we need to have fun, but it's as important to enjoy the journey as it is to celebrate the wins that we have. We have a fun environment and we actually work hard.
For us, it's really important to bring the entire team. We take this moment to reflect on the past, and then we take this opportunity to work together on where we're going.
We're here to bond, we're here to grow, we're here to make memories so that when we are back in the office, you can say, oh, I ice skated with that person. I feel confident to collaborate with that person.
I've been organizing the ping pong tournament at Ofload for 2 years now. Jeff is a really good player, but I think the audience really helped me win this game.
We had what's called our conference day. It was great. We had Jeff, Nicole, the C-suite talk about what's to come. We had movie trailers. We got to see all the teams get a bit creative, which was really fun.
Everyone's very friendly, supportive. The people really love working with each other. Together, that's the magic.
We all bring something different to the table, and I think that is what means we're going to succeed.
When I see them choose Offload and to bond together and create lasting relationships, that is what makes me the proudest.